Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online class today. I'm glad to see all of you here. Before we start our class today, uh, let's pray together by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Uh, how are you? How are you today, everyone?
Good.
Good. Good.
Okay, so now we can start our class today. So now we will learn about passive voice. Is anyone know about passive voice?
No.
No.
Okay, uh, the material today will explain with Mr. Torik. So Mr. Torik, the time is yours.
Oke, definition of passive voice. Apa sih passive voice itu? Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the subject of a sentence receive the action of the verb rather than performing it. Jadi, apa sih passive voice itu? Passive voice adalah bentuk kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris di mana subjek kalimat adalah penerima aksi, bukan pelaku aksi. Untuk lebih jelasnya, kita langsung saja ke contoh, ke rumus. Nah, di sini ada structure of passive voice. Yang rumusnya pertama adalah subject, kemudian diikuti dengan to be, kemudian diikuti dengan past participle atau verb 3, dan terakhir diakhiri dengan by agent. Jadi pertama adalah subjek, kemudian to be. To be, teman-teman tahu to be kan?
Tahu.
Ya, jadi to be yang biasa setelah kita pelajari ada am, is, or, were, was, dan sebagainya. Kemudian ada verb 3 yaitu bentuk ketiga dari suatu kata, dan kemudian ada nanti by agent. Untuk lebih jelasnya kita langsung ke contohnya. Nah, di sini saya punya kalimat aktif. The teacher explained the lesson. Nah, mari kita bedah strukturnya. Untuk kita pertama menentukan subjek dari kalimat aktif dulu ya. Teman-teman tahu nggak mana subjeknya dari kalimat itu?
The teacher.
Oke, betul.
Tiger.
Okay, good job.
Kemudian di mana verbnya?
Where is the verb, guys?
Explain.
Where is the verb?
Explain.
Kemudian objeknya?
The
The
lesson.
lesson.
Nah,
Okay,
oke.
good job.
Dari sini kita sudah mengetahui strukturnya dari kalimat aktif. Bagaimana kita mengubah kalimat aktif itu menjadi pasif? Nah, di sini saya jelaskan. Pertama, kita mengubah objek dari kalimat aktif menjadi subjek. Jadi kita taruh di depan. The lesson kita taruh di depan. Kemudian, jangan lupa rumusnya setelah subjek apa, teman-teman?
What?
Setelah
No.
subjek, to
After
be.
subject
Oke.
is to be. Okay,
To
good job.
be.
Nah, di sini kita memberi the lesson, bentuk to be-nya adalah is. Kemudian jangan lupa diikuti dengan verb 3. Nah, di sini kan di kalimat aktif ini ada verbnya berupa explain. Apa verb 3 dari explain?
Explain.
What the verb 3 from explain?
Explained.
Okay. Then we change the subject from the active sentence become the by agent. The teacher, we can change by the teacher. Then the passive of the sentence is the lesson is explained by the teacher. Sampai
So,
sini
do
bisa
you
dipahami?
understand, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Understand.
Oke,
Oke.
untuk meyakinkan kalian paham atau tidak, kita melakukan quick check.
So,
Kemudian, which sentence is passive? The student clean the classroom, or the classroom is cleaned every morning.
where is
The
the passive,
classroom
everyone?
The classroom is
every
clean every
morning.
morning.
Okay, good job.
Okay, good job.
Before we the next question, I will ask. The classroom ini menduduki apa? Classroom
Subject.
is
Subject.
okay. The classroom is subject and is
To be.
To
to
be.
be. Clean.
Verb
Verb.
Clean is verb be. Okay, every name is
The object.
object. Okay, next, Mr. Torik.
Oke, kemudian which sentence is passive? Virgin takes my money, or my money is taken by Virgin.
Where is the passive,
money.
everyone?
My money is taken by Virgin.
Okay, good
Okay,
job.
good job.
So you can understand rightly.
Oke, kita langsung lanjut.
Okay, for the next, we have group activity. So we will work in pairs, and I will divide it into 3 groups. One group will be ada 2 sampai 3 student in one group. And the assignment is make a short dialogue. Use at least one passive sentence. So in your dialogue, you should to use at least one passive sentence. Okay, now I will divide you in breakout room and you can work with your group. Oh, don't forget the topic is school and home or home activities.
Okay.
Okay, I will invite you first. Okay, start from now, yeah. I will give you 5 minutes to discuss.
Oke, enough teman-teman, cukup. Oke, teman-teman cukup diskusinya.
So guys, you already start with your group. Now I will choose one group to present in this. Mr. Tariq, you can choose.
Oke, I will choose Nur Hidayah.
Recording in progress.
Hello. And Virgin.
Dialogue. I only read my dialogue or dialogue with Virgin.
Oh, your group. Who is your group?
Sinun and
Okay, let's present Daya's group first.
okay, from my group, the dialogue is the first one. I say, "Hello, do you know Maimunah?" "Yes, I do. My money is taken by Maimunah." "Seriously?" "Yes." "Okay, I will tell him later." So the
Okay.
passive voice in this dialogue is, "My money is taken by Maimunah."
Okay, good job, Daya. Which group are you, Daya?
A group with Sinun.
Okay.
Oke, nice.
Will.
Kemudian kita lanjut saja. Kita cukupi untuk conversation-nya. Kemudian kita lanjut ke kuis.
Okay, now is quiz time, guys. I will read the sentence and you will listen and raise your hand to say it passive or active. Do you understand, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
understand.
Okay. The first sentence. The student clean the classroom every morning. Okay, I will repeat one more time. The student clean the classroom every morning. Who can answer this sentence? You can raise your hand. Okay, Nur Hidayah first.
Okay.
Active.
Okay, good job. It is active sentence, yeah, everyone. And the next sentence. The noodles were cooked by my mother yesterday. I will repeat one more time. The noodles were cooked by my mother yesterday. Okay, Nurul, you can answer.
That passive sentence.
Okay, good job. This is a passive sentence. The last question. They will finish the project tomorrow. I will repeat one more time. They will finish the project tomorrow. Who can answer this question? If no one can answer this question, I will choose you. Okay. I will choose Tiara.
I'm sorry, can you repeat the sentence?
Okay, I will repeat the sentence. They will finish the project tomorrow. What sentence is this? Is it passive or active? Tiara?
Active.
Okay, good job. This is an active sentence. Okay, guys. The last assignment, I give you a simple quiz. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand, yeah? Okay, wait. I will give you one question. And you can raise your hand if you know the answer. The question is, what is the definition of passive voice? Who can answer, guys? If no one can answer this question, what is the definition of passive voice?
Oke,
Okay,
Nurul.
Nurul. Your speaker cannot.
The passive voice is where the subject of a sentence receives the action of the verb.
Okay, good job.
Oke, yang barusan dijawab Pak Nurul menjadi kesimpulan sekaligus menjadi kesimpulan kita hari ini. Jadi passive voice itu apa? Eh, oh, fungsinya untuk apa? Fungsi dari passive voice sendiri adalah untuk memindahkan fokus dari pelaku eh, pelaku yaitu subjek dipindah ke eh, pelaku yang menerima aksi yaitu dalam kurung objek. Maybe that's all from us. We hope it will be useful from ours. Let's we reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.